Good morning, YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. This is my Xuchang long key hair review. I ordered 3 bundles and a closure of Peruvian hair from them. There's quite a few things I have to say about this company. For starters, let's talk about the customer service. Okay, so I ordered this hair February 13th. I received this hair yesterday, March 11th. So I did some research, and apparently the issue was that in China they celebrate the Chinese New Year, obviously, but their Chinese New Year is in February. So all production stops. So that also means that when you place an order around that time, your order goes on hold. That's fine. Celebrate your holiday or whatever. But once production starts back up, the orders that you have on hold should immediately be sent out. I was told that I chose the e-packet, which I honestly don't remember doing. However, if I did, you should have asked me if it was okay to send it DHL. It did not come DHL. It actually took about 8 days, 8 to 9 additional days after the seller let me know that my order was being sent out for it to come, because it came in the regular mail. It came in this envelope. However, with that being said, my seller was Serena. Got a lot of lip gloss. My seller was Serena, and she had excellent communication. I will give them that. Their communication was on point. Whenever I sent them a message, I was answered either that night or the next day. So communication was on point. Now to the hair. I ordered, like I said, 3 bundles, and they come in these packets. I have a 10-inch closure. I have a 16, a 14, and a 12-inch of Peruvian. Now, I opened the hair yesterday because, I was excited after all of this time of waiting for my hair to come. So I opened it yesterday, and the bundles are pretty big, but I had to seal the wefts. There was quite a bit of shedding from the hair, so I had to seal the wefts. So I tried to re-roll it so you could see how big the weft was. This is the 14-inch. It was a decent size weft. Can you see that? It's a decent size. Here's the one that I didn't seal, so you can see it comes with a little blue. Well, they're different colors. And then they have rubber bands wrapped underneath that. But maybe you can see the shedding on this one. This is the one that's not sealed. This is the size of the weft. So it's pretty big. But again, I don't have like really long bundles. So remember, the longer you get, the smaller the weft will be. It is human. I did a burn test. I used some of my own hair and burned it versus this hair. They burn the same. So this is human hair. It is virgin. See, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a strand there. But it's still in the bundle. So when I took it out of the bundle and ran my hands through it, I got quite a bit of shedding. Let me see if I can show you on this one. And then they wrap these rubber bands around them. I don't know that that's a good idea, considering that rubber bands will pull out your hair if you put them in. So, but let's see. You see there? There's a few strands, about 2 strands there. So the shedding on the other bundles were really bad. Yeah, see, there's some more shedding there. Quite a bit of shedding. But the texture of the hair is really good. It's soft, it's silky, and it's thick like your hair. Well, like my hair. I don't know what your hair looks like, but it's really thick. So I do like that about it. I think my biggest issue is just the shedding, but I sealed the wefts yesterday, so that shouldn't be a problem. When I re-rolled it, this is what it looks like. So once I install it, it'll probably be like a nice little wave. So yeah, that was my biggest issue. My biggest issue was the shedding for me, the delivery time. Also, I know that this company likes to send little gifts like twisty rods. They send lashes. They send whatever. They didn't send me anything, so I'm a little bit bitter about that. A little bit. Just a little bit bitter. Because, like, I had to wait so long for you to send me my hair. Can I at least get an eyelash? I mean, can I get an eyelash? Can I get a twisty rod? Like, so, yeah. This is my initial review. I like the hair. It's a decent texture. The color is a natural color, and you can see that there's like some highlighted pieces in here. So this hair was definitely somebody's hair, like natural highlights in this hair, and it's really pretty. Just that shedding is hell, and the wefts are really long, and I seal both sides, so the sealing process is kind of long. So I'll probably go ahead and post another video once I install it. I have this on because I have my braids underneath. I'll go ahead and show you guys what my braid pattern looks like. And I'm going to put a net and the closure. Let me show you the closure. How rude of me not to show you the closure. The closure is a free parting closure. And it comes in this little hair net. Other than the rubber bands, it does look like they take care of the hair really well for shipping. But it comes in a little hair net. It's a free parting closure. And I had parted it yesterday down the middle because I'm going to put it, on my head down the middle. And it also has baby hair on the closure. I don't know if you can see that. The knots, doesn't look like they bleached the knots. They don't. So you would have to bleach your own knots. I am going to conceal them. That's how I always do it with my closure. Use concealer. And I'm going to have it parted down the middle. So when I do install it, I'll do another video and show you guys how it turned out. And I also want to do a follow-up video in a couple of weeks so that you can see how the hair held up. I do see a lot of reviews where they say it only lasted a month and a half. I would like to believe people, but everybody don't take care of their hair. They don't take care of the hair that's on their own head. So I can't imagine that they would take care of some virgin hair. And people seem to think that because it's virgin hair, they can just rock it however, just YOLO. I'm going to just wear it. Long hair, don't care, without taking care of it. So I'm going to take excellent care of it, and I will give you guys a review in about a month and let you know how the hair is holding up at that point. Okay? So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and share. Okay? Thank you for viewing, and you guys have a wonderful afternoon.